The first principle, and indeed in karate, the first great principle, Tokyoko, is the red belt. And the first great principle in karate is to master some basic moves. The first great principle in surgery is posture. You need to understand your posture because it's going to be crucial to your health and well-being, reducing fatigue, musculoskeletal injury, wear and tear. 20 years of cardiac surgery, and I have a plate in my neck at C5, C6. What you need to understand is if you do not address your posture, you'll find that the movement of your upper limb is compromised. Firstly, by way of analogy, and to introduce you to the fundamental basic tool that you have in your home to help you practicing, is the concept of ironing. Now, you wouldn't iron down at that level. And the first thing you do when picking up an iron is adjust the height of an ironing board. And the height of the ironing board is adjusted such that your shoulders are relaxed, your elbows by either side, your elbows are slightly extended, and your wrists are palmar flexed. And in doing so, you effectively then isolate the hand from interruption of all the major muscles in the forearm. This posture alone will ensure that your movement of your hands and wrists become relaxed and fluid, but more importantly, you start to use the intrinsic muscles of your hand and thereby cultivate a lightness of touch in your surgery. Posture is important, and as I stand here, you'll see my elbows at the side and my forearm is extended at the elbow. And this angle that I'm demonstrating here is important to understand when we come to mounting our needle and using it in the next lessons. There's a second part to the red belt, and we'll now go over to the overhead cam to demonstrate.